Have you ever thought about starting a business from home that's low cost, easy to manage, and highly profitable? If yes, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start a mushroom business right from your home, step by step, even if you've never done it before. Let's begin with the most important question. Why mushrooms? Mushrooms are one of the fastest growing food businesses today. They don't need large land, they grow well in small indoor spaces, and you can harvest your first batch in just 3 to 4 weeks. Plus, with increasing demand in restaurants, health food stores, and even online platforms, mushrooms are becoming a smart business choice. Now, what do you need to get started? You don't need any fancy equipment. Just a small room or shed with decent ventilation will do. The temperature should ideally be between 68 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. You also need high humidity, around 80 to 90%, which you can easily maintain by spraying water or using a basic humidifier. The space should be dark or dim, as mushrooms grow best without direct sunlight. Lastly, you'll need mushroom spawn, a growing material like straw or sawdust, and clean plastic bags or trays. Once your setup is ready, the next step is choosing the right type of mushroom. For beginners, oyster mushrooms are the best option. They're easy to grow, adapt to many environments, and are always in demand. Other types like button or shiitake mushrooms are also profitable, but they require more precise conditions and experience. Now let's walk through the growing process. First, prepare your substrate. This is what the mushrooms will feed on. If you're using straw, chop it into small pieces and boil it in water for about 30 minutes to eliminate bacteria. Once it cools and dries, mix it with your mushroom spawn. Make sure the spawn is evenly spread for good growth. Next, pack the mixture into clean plastic bags or trays and place them in a warm, dark space. This incubation stage lasts around 15 to 20 days. During this time, the white fungal threads, called mycelium, will spread through the substrate. Once the mycelium has fully colonized the bags, cut small holes in them or open the tops. Move them to a space with more ventilation and keep humidity high by misting water several times a day. In just a few days, you'll start to see mushroom pins form, and in about 5 to 7 more days, they'll be ready to harvest. Now let's talk money, the part everyone's waiting for. A small indoor space, around 100 square feet, can grow about 20 to 30 pounds of mushrooms per cycle. Fresh oyster mushrooms typically sell for $5 to $8 per pound in local markets, farmers markets, or to restaurants. That's $100 to $240 per batch, depending on your yield and pricing. If you dry the mushrooms or turn them into powder, they can sell for even more, sometimes up to $20 per pound. To run a successful mushroom business, here are a few essential tips. Always keep your growing area clean to prevent contamination. Stick to the right temperature and humidity levels. Consistency is key. Start small, test your process, then scale up slowly. And always track your costs, harvest quantities, and income, just like a professional business. And that's it. A complete beginner's guide to starting your own mushroom business from home. It's simple, affordable, and something you can start right away. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home business and farming ideas. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. I read and respond to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I wish you great success in your mushroom journey.